In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the command prompt on your cursor in AutoCAD. If you're an AutoCAD user, you know how essential it is to have the command prompt readily accessible. Typically, the command prompt is located at the bottom of the screen. It allows you to quickly type in commands or functions without the need to navigate through menus. However, there may be situations where you want the command prompt to be visible directly on your cursor for even more seamless access. Let's walk through the steps to achieve this. First, let's ensure you have the traditional command prompt you're used to at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can type in commands, allowing you quick access to various functions. Now, if you'd like that command prompt to be visible right next to your cursor, you'll need to make a couple of adjustments. To begin, type DEN mode into the command prompt that you currently see at the bottom and press Enter. Once you've done that, type the number 3 and press Enter again. This action should activate the dynamic input feature, which is essential for having that command prompt displayed on your cursor. Now that you've done this, let's make sure everything is correctly set up. Press the F12 key on your keyboard. This key serves as a toggle to ensure that dynamic input is indeed turned on. Check to see if the command prompt appears on your cursor. If it's still not visible, don't worry, we've got another step to try. The next thing you want to do is type DEN prompt into the command line and press Enter. This command is another way to adjust the visibility settings of the command prompt. After you've entered DEN prompt, type the number 1 and hit Enter once more. This action should finally bring the command prompt up to your cursor, allowing you easier and more intuitive access to your most commonly used commands. And there you have it. The command prompt should now be visible on your cursor, making it easier and quicker for you to input commands without taking your eyes off your drawing area. Having the command prompt right at your cursor can significantly enhance your workflow by minimizing distractions and streamlining command inputs. Remember, if at any point you wish to revert to the traditional view where the command prompt is located solely at the bottom, you can always repeat these steps, adjusting the settings back to your preferred state. Now you're ready to work more efficiently with your command prompt comfortably at your cursor in AutoCAD.